Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining part of chapter 5, that is playing with numbers. And in this video, we will discuss the following topic. The topic is replacing alphabets with suitable numerals. So let's start the video. Okay, so let's come to the first question. Now in this question, it is telling that replace A, B, C, D by suitable numerals. Now here you can see that 6AB5 D58C gives you 9351 upon addition. So before starting this question, I want to say you something that these type of questions will be solved totally based on your assumption, your logic, how much you will apply your brain in order to put the value of A, B, C, D here. So let's take one example. Now if I will add 3 with A, it will give me 5. Now what will be the least value of A which must be added with 3 to get 5? It might be 2. When 3 is added with 2, it will give us 5. So I assumed here that the value of A must be 2, so that it will be added with 3 to get 5. Let's take one more question. Now if I add 8 with A, I will get B2. Now you can see here that I have two values here. This one is A and this one is B. Now I have to replace both A and B with a suitable numerals so that my answer will be justified. Now what must be added with 8 to get the unit digit as 2 and the tens digit as B? If I assume, if I add 4 with 8, if I add 4 with 8, what I will get? I will get 2 as my unit digit and 1 as my tens digit. So this justified this answer. So the value of A must be 4 and the value of B must be 1. This will be my answer. So I thought that you got the concept. Now let's come to this question. Now what must be added with 5 to get 1? So I may take it as 6. When 6 will be added with 5, the answer will be 11. Now 1 will be taken here and 1 will be carried here. Now 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8 becomes 9. Now what must be put in place of B so that my answer will be in the tens digit, it will be 5. Already 9 is here. So if I will put B as 6, if I will put B as 6, so 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, that is 15. So my answer is 5 here. Now again 1 will be carried to here. Now 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 becomes 6. Now what must be the value of A so that my unit digit will be 3? So you can see here that if I put the value of A as 7, then I will get what? 7 plus 5, this is 12. 12 plus 1, this is 13. So the unit digit will be 3 and 1 will be carried here. 1 will be carried here. So 1 plus 6 becomes 7. Now what must be added with 7 to get 9? So it is clearly D as 2. So you can see that 6 plus 1 becomes 7, 7 plus 2 becomes 9. So my answer is 9. So I thought that you got the answer, that C will be 6, B will be 6, A will be 7 and D will be 2, and this will be my answer. I hope that you have understood the addition. Now let's come to subtraction. Now you can see here, students, I have taken one more question, that replace A, B and C by suitable numerals. Now here you can see that there is a subtraction between the upper and the lower value of 3-digit number. Now you have to put the value of A, the value of B and the value of C such that I will get 183. Now you can see here that 8 is here. Now what must I will put here in place of A so that my result will be 3. So what must be subtracted with 8 so that my result is 3? If I subtract 11 with 8, I will get what? 3. So in place of A, if I put 1, then I will carry forward 1 from here. So it becomes 11. It becomes 11, and 11 minus 8 becomes 3. Now since I have carried forward here 1, so it becomes 4. Now how much 4 will be subtracted, means how much value it will be subtracted with B, that the answer becomes 8. Means what value of B must be here so that it will be subtracted with 4 so that it becomes 8. So let's see. If I carry 1 from here also, so this becomes what? It becomes 14. So when 14 is subtracted with 8, sorry, 6, it becomes what? 8. When 14 is subtracted with 6, it becomes 8. So my value of B will be what? My value of A, I got 1. My value of B, what I got? I got 6. I got 6. Now what? I have taken 1 from here, that is 3. From 3 I have taken 1. So it becomes 2. Now what must be subtracted with 2 to becomes 1? So this is clear that if I take the value of C equals to 1, so when 1 is subtracted with 2, the value becomes 1. So I got the answer. The answer is A1, B6 and C1. I thought that you have understood. Now let's move on to next question. Now students, I have taken two questions here. You can see it clearly that when 4a is multiplied with 6, it becomes 2b4. And here, when ab multiplied with ba, the answer is bca. Now I have to find the value of a, b and c. So let's see how we will solve these questions. Now you can see here that when I multiply 6 with a, my unit digit becomes 4. If my unit digit is becomes 4, so let's see, when I multiply with any number with 6, whether the unit digit becomes 4 or not. When I multiply 6 with 4, it becomes what? 24. Now here you can see you got a unit digit, that is 4. So in place of a, I will take a. I will take 4. Now let's see, if 44 is multiplied with 6, will the answer come? 6 4s are 24, 2 is here in hand, 6 4s are 24 plus 2 becomes 264. So I got the answer, that is, in this question, the value of A is 4 and the value of B is what? 6. You can see it here clearly. So this is a very simple question in which some numerals has already been given. Now in the next question, you can see here that no numerals is given. You have to find the value of numerals using these alphabets. So let's see how we will solve these type of questions. Now you can see here students that when AB is multiplied with BA, my answer is BCB. Now see how we will solve these questions. You can see here that when A is multiplied with B, my answer is B. So any number when multiplied with itself, another number, the answer is the number itself. This type of concept happen when the number will be 1. Then this type of concept will happen. Means if any number is multiplied with 1, the product is the number itself. The product is the number itself. So when B is multiplied with 1, the answer is B. It means that here the value of A is 1. Here also the value of A is 1. So I may write this question as 1 into B. When B is multiplied 1, then my answer is B, C, B. Now let's multiply this concept. Let's multiply this question. So 1 into b becomes b, and 1 into 1 becomes 1. Now b into b becomes b square, and b into 1 becomes b. Now add it up, it becomes b, it becomes 1 plus b square, and it becomes b. Now you can see here that all these digits are single digit number. These are not double digits number. These are single digit number. So I have to put the value of b such that this number doesn't form a two digit number. It becomes a single digit number. Now if in place of b square, if I put the value 3, so 3 square will be what? 9. When 9 is added with 1, it becomes 10. So I will not able to put the value of b is equals to 3. This is wrong. Now if I put the value of b as 2, so 2 square becomes 4. When 4 is added with 1, it becomes 5. So I got my answer. That means that here you can see that I will put the value of b as 2. So if I put the value of b as 2, so this becomes 2, this becomes 2, and this becomes 1 plus 2 square. So this will be, my answer is 2, 5, 2. Now just compare this number with this one, that is BCB. So my answer will be, A will be equals to 1, B will be equals to 2, and C will be equals to 5, and that will be my answer. I hope that you have understood this concept. Now let's move on to the next question. Now let's see this question, students. Here you can see a division of the numbers are given. When 9 is divided with 4ab, my answer is 5c. So in the next step, you can see when 9 is multiplied with 5, it becomes 45. And when 45 is subtracted with 4a, my answer is 3 here, and b will be step down in the next step. So what will be the value of a? So that it is subtracted with 5, it becomes 3. So if 8 is subtracted with 5, the answer is 3. That means that the value of a is 8. I got the value of a as 8. Now when 9 is multiplied with c, it becomes 36. So when 9 is multiplied with c, it becomes 36. When the value of c is 4, it means that c is 4. Now when 3 is subtracted with 3, it becomes 0, and when b is subtracted with 6, it also becomes 0. So the value of b must be what? It must be 6. So this will be my answer. I thought that, I hope that you have understood the concept of replacing alphabets with suitable numerals. This chapter is truly based on logic and your assumption. How you will assume the alphabets into a numerals so that the result will come out. You will easily able to solve exercise 5C of R.S. Agarwal, class 8 mathematics. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.